Hello YouTubers, and today we are going to make something like what we have made here. Now I'm going to open a new one. It will be, you can make it as big as you want it, but I'll just make it this size. Now if your background is not already black, it needs to be. Now this is my first time doing this, so forgive me if I mess up or anything. So, you're going to switch to white and get the smallest brush you can find. And then you're going to make dots all over your black background. Okay, that seems good. Now, you can pause the video if you need to. Go back and whatever you need. So, now we're going to light and shadow. Light and shadow, sparkle. And then I want to take this to 3. The flare intensity needs to be 0.30. You're going to click OK. And this will take, if you have more stars, it's going to take longer. But if you don't have that many, it's not going to take that long. So it's sparkling. That will take long. Sparkly stars. Now these stars are bigger because I made instead of just a dot, I made a line. So but that looks okay because those look like cool stars. Now you're going to make a new layer. It's going to be the same size and everything. Make sure it's transparent. Now you're going to go to Filters, Light and Shadow, Supernova. And you're going to click a blue color, some kind of blue color. And then you're going to make the radius 42 and the spokes 686. And then you try to get it as much in the middle as you can. You click OK. Does that. And you have a supernova. So you're going to hide that layer and add one more. Make sure it's transparent. And actually, nope, sorry. You don't have to add that layer. Okay, you're going to go File, Open as Layer, and then you're going to have close-up of cracked desert clay. You can find that in Google search. All you have to do is go to Google search and look up close-up of cracked desert clay. Okay, now we're going to take the scale tool and scale it to a good size. I'd say about there. We might have to rethink what it is next or soon, but it's okay for now. You're going to have the width 240 and the height 399. I'm going to click Scale. And then I'm going to click, it's called the Alignment tool. It's a box with 4 arrows on each side. You're going to click the picture and click that, and then you're in the middle. So now you are going to click Colors, Invert, and now you will click Filters, Distorts, or no, sorry, Filters, Map Object, and then you're going to map it on a sphere, and then you go to Light, and it's no light. Click OK. And this, well, shouldn't take too long. Now that looks more like a oval than it does a sphere, so we need to make it look like a sphere. And that's about good. Width is 351. Height is 396. I'm going to scale that. And then you're going to do the alignment tool again. You're going to click the picture, make it in the middle, and then you're good. So next you will go to filters, polar coordinates, filters, okay, why can't I find it? I'm sorry guys, I can't find it now. Okay, this is really weird. Well, once I get to it, I'll tell you where it is. Distort. Okay, distorts polar coordinates. And then see where that box says to polar? You're going to click that box cannot be checked. You're going to do that. And then you're going to get this little tool. It's called by select by color. You're going to select the bottom box and click delete. So you still have your stars under it. Now you're going to click layer, transform, rotate 90 degrees clockwise. And that's still highlighted, so you're going to click none. Or you're going to go to the select box and click none. Okay, now you're going to go to filters, distorts, wind. Now it's going to do kind of what it says. It's going to make it look windy. You're going to click the first one's at number 4. The second one is at 100. You're going to click OK. That'll make it look really weird. So now you're going to click layer, transform, and then you're going to flip it back to where it was. Now you are going to go to filters, distorts, polar coordinates, and then now you want that box that says to polar checked. And that looks like the exploding planet. You're going to let the supernova be bright. And then you're going to take the smudge tool. And you need fuzzy brush. It's circle fuzzy 15. And then you are going to take it and smudge this outline, because there's an outline. You can get it bigger if you want. And you can just kind of bring all that out so it doesn't look so. And then once you get it to where you like it, you just need to take around this, pull around the planet out, and then you are done. And you can write stuff on it, and then that's really all after you do that. Now I was confused when I started doing this. You click File, Save As, and then when you name it, after you name it, like I'll just name it that, you're going to put .jpg. So And if you don't put the .jpg, it will save and you will have to open GIMP every time you look at it. And you're not able to post it on Facebook or anything. So, and then you can change where it's saved. And then I already have that saved, so I don't need to save it. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, and you need to subscribe, comment, and like. Thanks. Bye. Boom.